दिल्ली में ग्लेशियर के
coming to this. See, I feel really sad today. Never it has happened.
No, sir, but sad is not enough, sir. You must take some action, some steps. This is not desirable, sir. All the as person on the chair, sir, nobody appreciates it, sir. So there should be not only be condemned, sir, some certain actions should also be taken as per the rule.
See, any member speaking, if anything objectionable is said, many member can bring it to the chairman's notice, and then after examination, such remarks are expunged. To my knowledge, nobody raised objection or protested. Nothing was brought to my notice. And even if suppose it was not done, subsequently parties or persons realize, they should give a notice, and then I should go through it and then take appropriate action, which we have been doing so. But this sort of, in spite of chairman saying this is not done, continuously making allegations. The idea is to make chairman dysfunctional. And there are methods. If you don't have confidence in the chairman, I have no problem. But I will not be cowed down by this sort of efforts for making the chair dysfunctional. The day I assumed this post, even before I accepted this proposal, I have resigned from the party. And since then, I have not been going to any political programs or attending any such functions where they are affiliated to one particular part. And this is a decision for me during the course of my lifetime because of this August for this constitutional responsibility and the House. I thought that's proper to do it. I have done it. And suddenly somebody says that your body is here, heart is there and somewhere and all. My heart is with the country. My heart is with the Constitution. My heart is with the people of India. I don't worry about this, but as a human being, normally it pains. I'm happy the leader of the opposition and the chief whip and other seniors have taken note of it. And the other leaders of the parties also disassociated with such remarks. I feel really sad. Priyanka Chaturvedi also has given a notice for suspension of business that you please give a notice on a different this thing, and I will examine it, Priyanka ji. And as far as the issue of the Uttarakhand is concerned, the entire House and for that matter country is really concerned. It feels sad of what is happened in Uttarakhand. Today morning, the first hour itself, I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. And the Chief Minister told me that all efforts are on and there is no certainty about the number of casualties. And the tunnel is very long, and ITBP people who swung into action immediately. Later, the army also has been called, and other agencies, DRF and all, everybody is actively engaged, and the efforts are on to save the lives of the people. So let us wait for some time and get full details. Home Ministry is looking into this, and their Prime Minister himself is reviewing what is happening there. And really, it's a matter of grave concern. We shall wait till we get final report, and then I'll be asking Home Minister to apprise us of what has happened exactly and give that further details.